Okay, guys, welcome back. So problem number 7, again, we're going through notes 8A. Okay, problem number 7 says the perimeter of a triangle, so let's draw our triangle, is 26 centimeters. Side A of the triangle is 6 centimeters longer than side B, and side C is 1 centimeter shorter than twice side B. Okay, so with all of this, we can write our variable as being side B. So let's let B be equal to side B. Okay, and this is a little confusing. But if B is side B, side A is going to be 3 centimeters longer than side B. So the expression for A, okay, so in this case, side A is going to be B plus 3. So that would be side A. And the expression that represents side C, it's 1 centimeter shorter than twice side B. So 2B minus 1 would be our side C. So as long as we have our expressions for all of these, side C would be 2B minus 1, and side A would be B plus 3. Okay, so notice now we have all of the sides just with the variable B. So to get the perimeter, we're just going to add them all up. So side A is B plus 3, and side B is just B, and side C is actually 2B minus 1. The perimeter is going to be equal to 26. So that would be our equation right there. Okay, again, this is side B right here. This would be side A rather, B plus 3. This would be side B, and then 2B minus 1 would be side C. So let's just write that down. So we have our A, our B, and our C. So if we add them all up, B plus B is 2B, 2B plus 2B is 4B. And our like terms, we've got a positive 3 and a negative 1, so we've got plus 2, and that's going to equal 26. All right, so we subtract 2 from both sides. We end up with 4B is equal to 24. And then when we divide by 4, we end up with B is equal to 6. So once we get our side B being 6, we can figure out our side A. 6 plus 3 is 9. So side B would be 6 centimeters, side A would be 9 centimeters, and then 2 times 6 would be 12. 12 minus 1 would be 11. So side C would be 11 centimeters. Okay, number 8, 7 times the sum of a number and 4 is the same as 8 decreased by 3 times the number. Find the number. Okay, our let statement is the number. So let's let n be equal to the number. If we take the sum is addition, the number and 4. So we take the sum of the number and 4, which would be x plus 4. And it's 7 times it, so it's 7 times the sum of a number plus 4, is the same. So is the same is an equal sign as 8 decreased by 3 times the number. So 8 decreased, whoops, actually let's go back here, sorry about that. Let's not confuse things. Our variable here is going to be n. That's right, we said n is our variable. Okay, so it's 7 times the sum of a number and 4 is the same as 8 decreased would be subtraction, 3 times that number. So that would be our equation for number 8. And then when we solve it, we just distribute 7n plus 28 equals 8 minus 3n. Okay, we're going to add 3n to both sides by moving the variable to the side. We get 10n plus 28 equals 8, and we subtract 28 from both sides. We get 10n is equal to negative 20, so that when we divide by 10, we find out our number is actually negative 2. So the number is negative 2. Number 9, okay, number 9, 2 times the quantity, whoops, that popped up there, go away, okay. Let's get rid of that. Okay, 2 times the quantity, 6 less than a number is 24. What is the number? Okay, so 2 times the quantity. So remember the quantity, you're going to need parentheses. 6 less than a number is 24. Oh, forgot my let statement. Okay, we're looking for the number. N is equal to the number. Okay, so 2 times n minus 6 is 24. Should be 24. And this one should be super easy. 2n minus 12 is equal to 24. We add our 12 to both sides. 2n is going to be equal to 36, so that when we divide by 2, our n is equal to 18. So our number is 18. Okay, the last one we have here, the total cost for 4 people to ride the bus, if the fare is 75 cents, it's increased by D dollars, is $25. Find how much the fare increased by. Okay, so 4 people to ride the bus, okay, is going to be, if the fare is 0.75, is decreased by D dollars. So it's going to be, or increased by D dollars. So increase would be plus D, and that's going to be equal to $25. Okay, so there's our equation. We multiply and distribute. We've got 3 plus 4D is equal to 25. Okay, and then we subtract 3 from both sides. 4D is going to be equal to 22, so that when we divide by 4, the difference is going to be $5.50. Okay, so it's D dollars. So our let statement was let D equal the dollars. Okay, so how much did it increase by? Because it's money, it's going to be $5.50.